What's going on, you guys? Today on the Cateye Chevy, we're going to be doing some front wheel bearings and a tie rod end, outer tie rod end for the steering. Yes, I know the lower ball joints and upper ball joints are bad, but in order to replace the upper ball joints, you have to remove the entire knuckle. So as of now, I am going to be doing the wheel bearing only, because I believe the knuckle and the wheel bearing comes out together, but for now, yeah, I just gotta get this wheel bearing on. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. Wheel bearing, tie rod end. I got to do upper control arm bushings, ball joints, lower ball joints. But I'm going to leave that for another day. I still got the other side to do for the wheel bearing. I'm losing daylight. I ain't going to record. This is what you do when you don't want a truck payment and a heavy insurance payment of having a finance vehicle. Ask me how I know. I had a few with payments and insurance was kick-ass. Never want to do that again, so here I am working on my, it was supposed to be a flip, but I ended up falling in love with it. But yeah, after looking at truck payments and truck prices, I really don't want to go out there and sell this one to get another one, so I'll keep one again. That being said, guys, I'm beat. This truck's been taking a lot from me, time-wise, money-wise. A lot better than a truck payment, but when everything is done, I should be good for another 3 years, hopefully. But yeah, I'm beat. Now I gotta go on the other side and beat bearings out. Great. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. Can you tell my energy level is, yeah, working on heavy equipment every single day to come home to this every single weekend. It's been 3 months, nothing but work. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, please subscribe to my channel, and don't be cheap like me. Just buy a damn good truck, turnkey. Don't buy somebody else's issue. Yeah, peace, guys. Upper control arm. Yep, that's bad. Bushings. Yep, that's bad. Lower ball joints. Yeah, that was a wheel about to fly off at any moment. Come on, people, take care of your cars. It ain't that bad. This is easy to do, man. Just take care of your vehicle. Alright. An hour and roughly 40 minutes later. New upper control arms, new lower control arms, new sway bar links. Everything's back together. Obviously, I did the tie rod end and the wheel bearing, I think 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Next side, off to the next side. Luckily on this side, I got lucky because the lazy owner before me This side only changed one upper control arm, so this is like practically brand new if you look at it. But you never know, I could disturb it by removing it. Next thing you know, it messes up the ball joint. So cross fingers that doesn't happen. As you can tell, I have more work ahead of me. Hey, that's gonna be fun. You can tell right there, rack and pinion is leaking. Well, not bad. This truck's almost getting there. It's almost 100%. So yeah, now just the lower control arm. Gotta come out, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's on this side. Lower control arm, sway bar links. That's it. So the hardest part, honestly, is the spring. And yeah, let's go. What's going on, you guys? Campsick TV here. Today we're gonna be swapping out the hideous, held on by tape taillights, left and right. A little update also. Whole new front end got done on it. Tints got done on it. Obviously, I need alignment, if you could tell. I did it, but it keeps moving, so it definitely needs to get inner tie rods. So I adjusted the bumper a little bit. But there you go. You could probably see the new control arms. And the other side has upper and lowers new. Tie rod ends and everything. See? So yeah. Tinted windows. You know, color matched and everything. So yeah, let me get to replacing this, and then I'm also gonna be swapping out the climate control and the headlight switch because it's kind of messed up right now. All right, new lights are in. That looks so much better. This one came in a little broken. I just noticed that, so I gotta go and contact the seller about that. Yep, catch you guys later. Obviously, I know there's a burnt out marker down there. The bulb is bad. But yeah, and now we got headlights functions on these. I swapped out the light. And like this, take a look. Boom. Thank you guys for watching. There's a little update. Obviously a little small cosmetic stuff now, but yeah, we're doing good. See you later.